Welcome back to my channel.
Just be yourself and do.
I don't know how to say what's up.
Why she touch my hand?
So this is my toe slime. I
Where's the
got one more.
chocolate?
Let me show like just now. So
Just like you.
oh what? So I have this toe slime. This is actually a purple color. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna start with the purple. So I'm gonna show you one way to make the, I think two or one way to make the cranky sound. So I'm gonna stretch like this, put like a table, then you fold it, and then you see this huge bubble here to crush it. So once you crush it, you continue doing that non-stop if you feel so satisfied that you want to not stop doing it. And that's what I'm gonna do today. So you want to fill in the space like this. Okay, so that this happens to me a lot of time when I do this. Sometimes it tears. If it tears, it's okay. There's slime out of it, and you actually got that voice though. And you actually just put it at the tear one. So now you're gonna fold it like this, like a roti prata. Once you see it like this, like, ew, it's so disgusting. It's not, it's just, you have to just make it. It's really satisfying. Mine can stretch, but it takes so long to stretch. So, if you have no table, just like use your arms or something. And then, yeah. My hands are really shiny, you can see that, cause I use lipstick instead of using food coloring. So let's go on to the video. Okay guys, I'm gonna start off the pink. Just want to show the purple for the example one, but this is my slime collection video. So yeah, this is part one. So yeah. By the way, this is shiny one. Because I use lip. This also. Actually, I also have a white color, but I don't know where is it. I'm gonna show in part 2. guys that I got another pink. It's the same as this one, the pink color. Sorry, I forgot, I'm so sleepy now. It's like 9 o'clock, so I think I'm gonna have a part 2 video because my time is running out. Yeah, so my pink one, and I got the same one over here. They are totally the same. And I'm gonna do the next video. Okay, bye guys.